So, you intend to follow in your papa's footsteps?
I like to think I'm my own man,
I wouldn't have it any other way.
but I am eager to learn everything I can.
Yeah? What have you learned so far?
Nothing's free.
No, I never thought Volstead was a good idea.
You will after you open that envelope.
The partisan nonsense it caused.
You and I would be a lot closer, Ed. Republican, Democrat, all fucking meaningless. As soon as Nucky Thompson is
When he's brought to justice,
right, we'll have a gala fucking party.
I'll be looking forward to it.